Foods you should avoid when you're sick. We bet food is not the first thing on your mind when you're sick, or have a stomach bug or flu. But it's always good to know the foods that you should refrain from eating while sick in order to recover quickly. Here is the list of foods you should avoid when you are sick. Stay away from crunchy snacks. Avoid eating snacks like potato chips or crispy toast because their abrasive texture will feel like sandpaper on your raw throat. The more you irritate your throat, the longer it will take to get better and NBSP, so, if you want to increase your misery, you better stay away from these crunchy snacks.